how to use call forwarding option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. So after click on phone app, click on keyboard and click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and now here showing you supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, now here showing you, so you will click on call forwarding. So after click on call forwarding, now here showing you voice call and video call. So you will click on voice call and click on always forwarding. So after click on always forwarding, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use call forwarding option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.